Which among the following statements is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutations? Option A, mutations in proto-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle. This is a true statement because proto-oncogenes are normal genes that can become oncogenes through mutations. So mutations in proto-oncogenes can cause uncontrolled cell division leading to cancer. So option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, mutations destroy telomerase inhibitor. This is also true. In many cancer cells, mutations lead to the activation of telomerase, an enzyme that adds repetitive DNA sequences to the ends of chromosomes, that is telomeres. So mutations can activate telomerase, which help cancer cells avoid aging and continue dividing. So option B is incorrect. C. Mutations inactive the cell control. This is also true. Cancer cells often have mutations that inactivate tumor suppressor gene, which are responsible for controlling the cell division, repairing cell DNA damage, and initiating programmed cell death. So, the mutations can inactivate tumor suppressor gene, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. So, option C is incorrect. D. Mutations inhibit the production of telomerase. This is an incorrect statement because mutations typically activate telomerase in cancer cells, allowing them to maintain telomeres and keep dividing. So that means option D is the correct answer because it is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutations. Answer is option D.